Hi, this is Mark from Swagger & Jacks and welcome to our Help at Home series. Today we're going to be looking at longer lengths of hair and how we can best manage these at home. We'll be looking at two specific products today to help you, one being a foundation product and one being a styling product. Let's get started. Using your sea salt texturizing spray, spray into wet hair and blow dry using your fingers. This will create volume and texture to the shape, giving a matte, natural finish that smells great too. Now we move on to shaping and styling. Here we're going to be using our Texturizing Powder. This is a unique product that's been developed by a Swagger & Jacks team of barbers. It's a lightweight powder and will not weigh the hair down or make it go flat. It's great for all hair types, especially now the hair is getting longer in its length. Very easy to apply to dry hair. Shake on, comb, brush or style with fingers. Work into the roots, mid-lengths and ends, job done. To help you at home, we have put these texturizing products together in a special bundle for a special price. In addition, you could add these to our subscribe and save service and receive an extra 10% discount on these items. And remember, at the moment, all products have free UK contactless shipping. All of our range is British made, sulfate and paraben free and never tested on animals. Please keep tuned for more advice from the Barbershop. Goodbye.